We're from Austin, Texas, home of keeping it weird. And we're looking for a house to restore, but not just any house, a special kind of a house. The one with a story and a history. The spooky one. The one you might avoid on a dark night. So come along as we search for just the right house somewhere in a small town in Texas. Epic.
Good day, good day.
What?
So where are we going today, friend?
Okay, so another Sunday, another fun day. The last house we went to look at was not the one. It just was not the one.
Well, it actually was the house. It was just not the location that was going to be a problem.
There were other factors, but anyways. So again, we're off to look at another house. This one has potential. I'm not going to get my hopes up anymore because they seem to be crushed every time we roll up into a town. But don't be so dramatic, snowflake. You'll be fine. Are you mute this morning?
I'm not a mute. I was just saying internal prayers for the ride.
You're going to be fine. You're gonna have to open your air conditioning vent because I closed it because I was cold. Yeah, what did I just say?
It's so very hot.
What did I say?
I don't know.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, you're gonna play that game?
What game?
No, you cannot play with
It's a super rare occasion that I get to drive the car.
Oh, shit.
Zoom, zoom, zoom.
Seatbelts.
You're gonna be in trouble.
Oh my god. Beep. Watch the motorcycles.
Oh, it's okay, almost.
Oh my god. F***ing dick. Really? Okay.
We're gonna be just fine.
Well, you're the one who messed up the mirror.
The mirror's just fine.
Okay. Just that fucking guy.
Yeah.
You're gonna be dead soon. Drive like that. Fucker.
Dumbass.
Are you talking to me?
No, talk about the dumbass driving in the gutter.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Okay. The Crushel Romberg home. It was built in 1908. Two families have called this residence its home. A local contractor built the home for a widow, Miss Emma Crushel, and her daughters. The fact her 4 surviving daughters never had to seek employment. Wow.
Did they work at the chicken ranch?
No, they never worked at all. Did you not hear the part that said that they had money? Agnes, Olga, Ella, and Hattie.
Oh, they all sound ugly.
Oh my god. What? Shut your mouth.
Agnes. So we're going to LaGrange, Texas. So from a history standpoint, this is where the famed chicken ranch is from. From the movie Best Little Whorehouse in Texas, which is based on a true story of the chicken ranch, which happened to be a 100-year-old or a whorehouse that was open for over 100 years. I don't want to call it a whorehouse. It was for the working gals, friendly working gals. And then also the song from ZZ Top, LaGrange, is written about this town, thus the chicken ranch.
Got a lot of nice girls there.
Which we're going to try to visit today, at least myself.
It's not there anymore. There's barely remnants of the property. It's just probably a pile of rubble because nobody managed to keep track of it. Ooh, plants.
Yard sale.
So nobody cared to keep the history alive, but it was a true story, and the movie The Best Little Whorehouse in Texas was based off of this chicken ranch. And if you don't know why it's called the chicken ranch,
look it up.
It's a good story because during the Depression, men didn't have money to pay for services, so they offered up a chicken for payment, and so it became one chicken, one lay. Get it? And pretty soon they had a whole bunch of chickens. And the chickens and the eggs actually paid all of the bills for quite some time until the economy could recover, and then it went back to, you know, normal monetary payments.
But yeah, it was opened as a gentleman's establishment until what, 77?
73. 73. Yeah. So it was it's kind of a big deal, 100 years. So
it was the nicest little whorehouse you ever saw.
Our plan is to move in, take over the political landscape of the town, and rule with an iron fist is our goal. So it's very similar.
But I mean, it's a small town, so like.
Yes, the problem with moving to a small town is Laura runs the high risk of being burned at the stake. But hey, you know, I'm okay with that.
Bunch of trees back there to block that building.
Open the gate, dumbass, and go in.
Hey, we're taking a picture. It's a list of everything that they did.
So what's your opinion?
I think it's a great house. But I did ask him about the trains, and they run about 7 times a day, twice at night. So if you're willing to listen to that, then I mean, it might be a thought.
But you did see how big the garage was, right?
Of course. I'd be buying a garage with an old house attached to it. I do understand how that works. You know, I think for what I wanted, it would be great, but I mean, at the price, and I don't want to insult anybody, but it would be an insult, what I'm thinking to offer. So I don't know, we'll see.
On to the next one. Totally awesome house we just looked at. The owner, who's been here for 50 years, came and showed us around. He's also a car guy, so he built a total cool car shop in the back. So we're gonna do some negotiations and see what we can do. Town is totally dead on a Sunday.
It could be, this town could be so amazing. Hang on, railroad tracks, watch. Co-pilot ever.
You seem a little hostile with my directions.
Because you don't know how to give directions. That's why I never listen
I'm following the map. The map says turn right. We go, just turn right.
We don't follow the map. We follow a GPS telling us directly where to go. We're not looking at a fucking map.
Well, Siri currently is not speaking to me.
Why don't you
we're gonna turn left here at the next street, by the way. Oh, I turned the thing on. So we attempted to find the chicken ranch. It's not here any longer.
I told you there was nothing left. God.
Not even a sign. Nothing.
Because somebody probably owns the property now. Nothing.
Dolly Parton is not here. Calls to you, doesn't it?
Well, I'm just sitting here, like, thinking to myself.
We found a super cool graveyard. Goddamn fly. And you see Laura's wearing her favorite Beetlejuice shirt.
Always. This is, it's in a historic, oh, what's with this? It's a historic cemetery. That's what the sign said. I'm assuming because it's been here since the beginning of the town. Some of these headstones are from the late 1800s. So we're gonna go mill around and see which one we can find the oldest one.
See if we can conjure something up. Is there anybody here who wants to speak up? (1853). Always something mesmerizing about an old cemetery. I don't know why it is.
70?
Find anybody good?
Nobody that I know, because these have been here for a minute. Most of them are from the early 1800s, and a lot of them died from yellow fever. So, a lot of unmarked graves, actually. I'm kind of interested as to why some of them have their own private fences.
Oh, you want to dig a couple up and ask them?
No, but I do want to go over there.
I always like coming to graveyards because the stonework on the headstones is amazing. It was all done out of such, you know, love and misery, basically. Pretty neat story. If there's anybody out here that would like to talk to Laura, she's willing to speak. Just poke her with a stick. We didn't find any ghosts. Laura was trying to conjure some, but you know, she didn't have the right spell.
No, but this cemetery is beautiful. I mean, it doesn't really look like anybody's taking care of it, but the stones, the craftsmanship, it's amazing. And it's all funny because the gate is the same gate as the house that we looked at. So clearly they were the only company that made gates back then. They have a stop sign. I do not.
Just white knuckle it, you'll be fine. Do you want to sell your chicken ranch to me, little